Okay, students, we're going to be removing the background from the object that we just placed into our background here. So you should have two layers. You should have your object, you should have your background. Make sure that your object layer is selected just by clicking on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in by using this zoom tool. I'm going to make sure that the plus sign is clicked. I'm going to zoom in by clicking. And this is when we're going to start removing the background when we reach this point. We're going to use this tool right here called a lasso tool. And there's two versions of this lasso tool. You have the lasso tool and you also have the polygonal lasso tool. For cutting out the background from your object, the best tool to use is your polygonal lasso tool, because it causes us and it allows us to use straight lines as opposed to just freehand. The other thing we're going to do is this smoothing section right here. So in order for us to cut it out so it does not look all jagged, we're going to make the pixels, let's say number 2 for now. What that's going to do is going to soften the edges. So right now I'm going to go ahead over in here, I'm going to click and drag straight lines, and what it's going to do is going to allow me to go through and select the areas that I need. So let's go ahead and continue. At this point, it's good for you to be as precise as possible and try not to make any too large mistakes so you don't have to do it over again. Press the delete on the key and you can see that the background is removed. Right click on your mouse, press deselect or command click and deselect, and then you are done. You want to continue this process in the rest of the figure in order to remove the rest of the background.